Lettuce in the bag. So I'm getting a jump on spring by taking mature lettuce plants and transplanting them into my fabric bags to get ready for instant salads while I also get ready to start some lettuce plants from seed, and I'll be doing that starting next week. So this is how I fill. These are 3-gallon fabric bags, and I collect leaves and let them decay over the winter. And now I'm taking them and filling the bottom of each of these fabric bags with the leaves. It helps for drainage and adds some extra nutrition, and it fills up some of the bags so you can use less soil. Now here I'm taking my potting soil and filling up the bags using my hand trowel. I've again, as you can see how handy it is to have a wheelbarrow. If you have one, great. If not, you'd have to go by your where you keep your bags and fill them up that way. As I said in my soil video, you don't want to be lifting heavy bags of soil. You want to move your pot to where your soil is. So there I got 2 bags of soil, and now I'm going to add some organic slow release fruit and vegetable fertilizer. So you sprinkle some across the top and work it into the top few layers of the soil. So that will release over the next few months as the water mixes with the slow release fertilizer. Of course, the more it rains and the more you water, the less amount of time. Oh, here we go. Now we've got the actual lettuce plant with those nice roots. You can see it. I've been soaking them in water, so they're nice and moist and ready to make good contact with the potting soil. You want to make sure you get it firmly placed and the roots surrounded by the soil so it makes good contact. It's looking to suck up the nutrients that are in the soil and to give it a firm foundation so that it can keep growing. Because what you do with these lettuce plants is you just take the lettuce leaves from the outside and work your way in. You don't harvest the whole head of lettuce at once. You can take the leaves off the outside. What I've done is I've actually harvested from these type of plants for several months. In fact, I've even at the one point cut it down to nothing, and it grew back. So it's good to start with healthy plants with a good soil potting process. And here you go, there's the other root. Isn't that looking nice? I'll put that in there, get it all firmly placed in there, and look forward to several weeks of peeling off leaves from the plant and enjoying it every day. So the weather is warming up now, so I'm probably in the next few days leaving these out permanently and enjoying the salads, while my seed lettuce, I'm just going to start seeding them, and I'll have a video about that. But here I'm watering the plants, get them all ready. Oh, I can't wait. They're looking good. So there we are. We have lettuce in the bag. And now I've got 4 of those. And as I say, you just peel off some leaves as you go. And if you want to try fabric bags, if you've never done them before, I have some links down below to Amazon. I have a small commission for those, but at least it indicates what I use. I also have my planner and calendar, which you can also get from the link below. It's also sold on Amazon. As well as I have been making videos. The soil video, which explains the soil, the types of soil that I use, is here. And I also have a portfolio of videos here in the playlist, which explains the whole concept of stand-up gardening and to help you explain the whole concept of how to be healthy. So thanks very much for listening, and we'll see you on the next video.